Hello! In this video, I'll show you how to use the Subject Guides page on the DTL website. If you click on Subject Guides in the main menu, you'll be taken to the Subject Guides page. The point of Subject Guides is to provide an introduction to different areas of scholarship in religious studies. On this page, the Subject Guides are organized into four main categories: general topics, sacred text studies, foreign language databases, and related topics, such as citation management and psychology. Most of the subject guides will look a lot like chaplaincy. They'll cover a relatively focused topic, and they'll include a welcome message at the top. Each one will include different kinds of resources, but it's common to see databases, journals, and ebooks recommended in each subject guide. Each one includes a short description of what it covers so that you know what resources might be relevant to your own research. Some subject guides, such as Islamic studies, are quite large because they cover very broad topics. This particular subject guide is divided into a number of different pages that cover different aspects of Islamic studies. So if you're interested, for example, in the relationship between Islam and other faiths, you can simply click on Interfaith and look for resources specifically about that. If at any point you see one of these small arrows, that means that there's a drop-down menu that will give you even more options. And if at any point you see forthcoming next to a resource, that means it has been ordered and it will be added to the DTL's collection as soon as possible. This concludes our tour of the Subject Guides page. Thank you for watching.